My dear respected teachers, beloved brother and sister, and dear lovely audience. I am studying in the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. At the very beginning of my speech, please take cordial love and salam. Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank my honorable teacher who giving me a wonderful opportunity in front of you to say something farewell to and my 3 months journey at Rahas English Care. Today is a very emotional day for all of students at Rahas English Care. This place was not just a institute, it was a family. We learned together, supported each other, and created memories that will stay in our hearts forever. My 3 months journey ago, when I came Rahas English Care, I didn't speak fluently. At this time, 3 months journey completed, I can speak fluently. And I will also thank my honorable teacher, Mr. Rahasar, and all of my teachers. Each student fair is special. Your efforts, your dedication, and your beautiful presence made this journey meaningful. I am truly grateful to have been a part of your growth. As we say, farewell tourists, remember on things, learning never ends and neither just our connection. May Allah bless your future, your dreams and your hard work. This is not goodbye. This is beginning a new future. So thank you so much. Thank you, my dear lovely audience and my dear respected teachers.